Welcome to our Truth Revelation series. Across the vast digital landscape, a growing number of channels have begun sharing strange and deeply misleading video clips. In these curious demonstrations, we witness a claim that defies nature itself, suggesting that lemon seeds can sprout and grow, not through soil and water, but by using toothpaste and carbonated drinks. Such content, though fascinating at first glance, holds no scientific foundation. It is crafted purely to capture attention, in a world where deception spreads faster than truth. Our mission is to separate illusion from reality, to reveal what truly lies beneath these agricultural myths. So join us on this quiet journey of discovery. And if you believe in truth, remember to like, subscribe, and stay with us as we uncover what's real. Observe closely, dear viewer. Here, the content creator attempts to convince us that his unusual planting method has succeeded. He proudly displays what appear to be fresh roots and green shoots emerging from a lemon. But in truth, every fruit in the world follows the same law of nature. With time, it does not grow, it decays. As days pass, the fruit begins to soften, darken, and eventually, rot away. What you see now is the undeniable evidence of natural decay, a quiet reminder that nature cannot be tricked by illusion. Here, in these new clips, another deceiver emerges. Watch carefully, as he combines toothpaste, bottled water, and even aloe vera, all to persuade the viewer that his so-called method truly works. With each demonstration, the illusion grows bolder. Apples and oranges, planted with toothpaste. Even eggs, presented as part of this bizarre experiment. It is a strange theater of misinformation, where the language of science is replaced by spectacle and absurdity. And yet, millions watch, unaware of the quiet truth behind the screen. And now, watch closely once again. Here, the same creator moves further into illusion, blending bananas and eggs together, claiming it to be a new form of planting. Astonishing, yet entirely unbelievable. What you are about to see next will reveal just how far these deceptions can go. Stay with us, for the truth is only moments away. Look closely now, for what comes next stretches the limits of imagination. In this curious act of agricultural deception, we see the mixing of banana and eggplant, an experiment that defies both logic and biology. The creator seems unaware that the banana and the eggplant belong to entirely different plant families, and no natural process can merge them into one living species. Yet here, he presents his success, displaying plants that appear to bear both fruits side by side. A fascinating illusion, but nothing more than a crafted piece of deception. And as we move forward, the story of agricultural trickery continues, revealing new forms of illusion, each more peculiar than the last. And now, we witness yet another display of deception. Here, the same curious method is applied once more, this time, to mango. One might ask, should such false and misleading experiments even appear on our screens? Watch carefully, as the creator plants whole mango fruits using eggs and waters them with carbonated drinks. Truly, astonishing in its absurdity. But we will not remain long in disbelief. Soon, we will uncover the truth, exploring the very materials these deceivers use, understanding their effects, and revealing how real growth happens, through science, not illusion. Stay with us, as we move from deception into discovery. At last, we turn from illusion to truth. Behind every viral experiment lies a simple question: what really happens when these strange materials meet the soil? Let us begin with toothpaste. It contains chemicals designed for cleaning, not nurturing life. Fluoride, menthol, and detergents disrupt the fragile balance that seeds require to germinate. Then comes the egg. Rich in protein, yes, but when buried in soil, it decays rapidly, producing bacteria and gases that can harm, not help, the plant. And finally, carbonated drinks. They contain sugar, acids, and artificial compounds. Instead of feeding the roots, they burn them, suffocating the young seed before it even begins to live. What we witness, therefore, is not a miracle of growth, but a chain of decay, fermentation, and illusion, cleverly edited to mimic the beauty of life. Yet, in truth, life does not arise from trickery. It begins only where nature's rules are respected. In the end, we are reminded of one simple truth. Not everything we see on the screen is real, and not every so-called experiment deserves our belief. Do not waste your time following deceptive videos or imitating false methods. In agriculture, as in all of science, success comes only through knowledge, patience, and respect for nature's laws. If you found value in this investigation, join us by subscribing to the channel, liking this video, and sharing it with your friends, so that awareness may grow, just like the plants we nurture. Thank you for watching. And in the comments below, tell us what agricultural topics you'd like us to explore next. Until next time, stay curious and stay true to science.